right up. I swapped the sides of the track because I was afraid that I038 would have blocked 491. There's flying debris and everything around. It is not safe to be out here. After these two trains, home I go. It is not safe. We're down here in Java, by the way. Guys, I can barely hold on to the camera. We just had two power flashes down there. I don't know if we got a tornado or what. This train is the CSX I038 double stack train. That train starts off in Jacksonville, Florida, heads north to North Burke, heads north to Charlotte.